Alright guys and dolls, well we're back at Lee's, what should we call it? Workshop. And yeah, we're going to start stripping out this car, crack on getting the floor done. So all the interior's got to come out, look a bit more at the holes and stuff, see how bad it is. It's up, jacked up in the air now, don't look too bad at the front, does it Lee?
No mate.
Cool, so yeah, so we're going to crack on and get on with it. It's bloody freezing as well, but check out the log burner. That's warm. This one moves.
Yeah, I don't know if that's actually how they come out.
Well, I don't know, it's pretty solid.
Yeah, they look quite good. No like damage or anything really to them.
I tried it with a screwdriver. Right.
That's not really
Back again, yeah?
bad. No, it's there, look. It's there. Down, straight down here. That.
Oh, yeah.
Like that. I'll swing catch here.
Oh, but you just hold that, I'll put it on.
Yeah. Put it over that. Yeah.
Oh, definitely don't put this in this video, though.
Don't worry.
Right, how long? What, 20 minutes?
Nah, it weren't that long.
Where are you putting all your interior?
I'm going to put it at the top. I'll put it in past me.
That's a massive hole there.
It's a big first size hole, isn't it?
That big battery, isn't it? Straight through.
Must be the battery.
So what's actually solid? That bit there?
Nothing.
That.
Shine a light down.
It's all been patched, isn't it? Patched everywhere.
But they rush from the inside, don't they? So you patch, you put patches over and it's no strength still.
No. Oh well. So it's seen worse. Yeah, right.
I'll be honest with you, it's the worst one I've ever seen. Out of all four. Can go. Animal.
Don't want that video, do we? You've got heat in yours?
Yeah.
Why?
Keep it warm.
God, look at that hanging off over there.
Yeah. I've got to be careful with it, because it's falling out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just take the pedal assembly off.
I would, yeah.
You want to crack on with that? I've done hers recently, so.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, so I can't
There's
remember.
buggers, isn't there, to do?
Done two bolts there, and some cord cables.
Yeah, to get the cables back on.
Oh, they're not too bad because you've probably got man hands. But these little bad boys, straight on.
Little girl's hand.
Yeah. The other side. Slide out. That should stick down. How's it looking, Lee?
Oh, it's mint, mate.
Bit of hammerite in the
This looks brand new.
Banded foam, job done.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh well, should be on the road in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, it'll be alright, mate. No, nothing like that.
That's a random, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's repairable, isn't it?
Well, that's where Molly's went though, wasn't it? Right underneath the heater channel. But the floor, rest of the floor weren't too bad, so let's put a little section in.
Why?
This is part of the insulation, isn't it?
That looks like a good metal there, isn't it? That's good metal, look.
Hey!
Yeah, it is.
All original.
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
Oh, you've got loads of little spots to
Yeah.
tap out.
Bastards. It is, yeah. It's a fuck now.
Okay, so it's getting quite late now, so we're going to call it a day, or a night even. And we're going to come back up at the weekend probably. Lee's going to order some bits for the car, so we need some floor halves, some heater tunnels, because the whole floor is rotten. So that's just kind of it really for this evening. And check back on our YouTube channel for more updates on the progress of the car. We've not given it a name yet, we haven't decided if it's a boy or a girl. So also check back for that, or put some name suggestions in the comments. But yeah, just keep watching the videos, like us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Flickr, I think we're on, Tumblr as well, and subscribe. See you later.
One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think about the stories that we could have told. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think about the stories that we could have told.